I hope that you are fully well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Actually, you are passing your valuable time ideally sitting at your home for the cause of killing virus COVID-19. Not only Bangladesh, but also all over the country of the world. Maximum people are addicted by these problems. Dear students, in spite of some problems, our present government has set up some rules for taking online class. From this perspective, continuously I am conducting some class, and for this purpose today I will conduct a class especially for the students of class 10. Dear students, before going my topics or discussion, I want to give my personal introduction. My name is Mustaq Ahmed Choudhury, senior teacher for a secondary school, Dhamalia, Dumuria, Khulna. Dear students, now come to the main point. Today I will conduct you or I will teach you about a very important topics named voice sense. What's the name of my topics? Voice sense. So, from long time I am conducting the class depending on voice sense. But today I will teach you especially perfectness. So, you know that we learn three stages of perfectness. Three stages of perfectness. Present perfectness, past perfectness and future perfectness. So, before going my main discussion, I want to show some structure or some rules on the board. Now I am writing an definition or example on the board. Dear students, just now I am writing the structure of perfectness. Then after some time I will discuss present perfectness, past perfectness and future perfectness separately. Now come to the main point. Then very beginning of the writing or sentence subject. Then auxiliary verb. That means auxiliary verb. Then V3 clause object. Dear students, it is a very important thing, auxiliary verb. That means here maybe have, oblique has, oblique had, will have, oblique shall have. All of the auxiliary verb have been setting in perfect tense. So, this is the simple structure of perfect tense. Dear students, I have classified have and has in one stage, had is second stage, and will have and shall have is third stage. Here, I have separated three stages. Have has is one stage, had just means first, second and third. Here I have classified all the auxiliary verbs are in the three stages. First, that means present perfect, second, that means past perfect, third, that means will have or shall have, that means future perfect. Dear students, already I have an excerpt, right, for your better exposure. It will be very easy if I write three sentences on the board side by side. Look at the board. Number one, I have done the work. Here, I subject, have auxiliary verb and done V3. Next sentence. I had done the work before my father came at home. Here in this sentence there are two parts, you know that. I had done the work and my father came at home. Next sentence number 3. I shall have done the work before my father came, before my father will come at home. Dear students, already I have written 3 sentences. That means I am trying to understand you 3 sentences. I have done the work. This is a present perfect tense. This is the present perfect. And I had done the work before my father came at home. It is a past perfect sentence. I shall have done the work before my father will come at home. The future perfect tense. I hope that you are understanding or you are trying to understand the 3 sentences. That means 3 perfect tense. Present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. So, I hope that you are clear about the perfect tense. About the perfect tense. Dear students, now I will teach you how we will apply these sentences as a voices. Now come to the action. Yes, friends. Just now, I have done the work. Undoubtedly, it is an assertive sentence and it is a present perfect tense. Clear? Right. So, it is an active voice. Active voice. Now, we will turn it into passive form. Before we learn that from our online class, how we apply the rules for voice sense. From this perspective, I am saying that I is a subject, have done is a verb, the work is an object. It's an object. So at first, we will turn the object as a subject, the work. The work has been used as a subject. So after this subject, we have to take any auxiliary verb. Who is the auxiliary verb? Have is the auxiliary verb here. So we have to set up here have. Set up here have. But remember it, my dear students. I is a first person, but the work is a third person. For this reason, has will be set up as an auxiliary verb because the work is third person. The work has. So you know that have, has, had, will have, shall have, all are the symbol of perfect tense. For this reason, when we will turn or when we will use such kind of auxiliary verb, then we will set up another extra word, that means been. That means been. That means that has been done. Has been. So what is the new option has come here? Been. You can see, so have been, what has been, what had been, what will have been, what shall have been. When you will turn or when you use the voice sense in perfect tense. Do you understand? So dear student, the work has been, then B3 done. Then by. This is a very important point that most of the students and teachers always say that by is the formulated or by is the formula. But you have to remember, by is a preposition. That means by whom or by whose. We do innumerable or by somebody or by someone. For this reason, by. Then we will use subject as object. We subject, I subject. Then I will be turned into as object, me. So the work has been done by. Dear student, I hope that you are fully understand about the topics of voice sense, especially for the perfect tense. So, from the very long time, we are conducting depending on voice sense. From this perspective, I have tried my level best to understand the present perfect tense voice sense. So, dear students, no more today. I hope that next time you will stay with us and you will be get better exposure from my class. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.